Hi, this is Tom Olszewski with Team Olszewski. Me and my partner Dan Marshall wanted to quickly send you a message and introduce you to our home buying step-by-step video series. For some of you who are first-time home buyers and even those who haven't bought a home in a while, we have put together a series of explanation videos to help walk you through our home buying process. Whether you're looking to move in the next month or in the next year, we're here to help. We've got some incredible systems for buyers and sellers. When you're ready, the next step would be to at least have another 3 to 4 minute phone call, or ideally we have had great success when we set up a time to meet and have a free buyer's consultation meeting and put a plan together. It's good to have a plan whether you're a year or 2 years away or just got pre-approved and are anxious to get started. Just reply to this email or links that are listed below and let us know what time works best for you. Have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. So for now, that's it. Make it a great day.